Airsoft! 3, 2, go!
Make it not false. What you gotta do, this is the best way I know.
For a pretty small product, but semi and fully auto.
Go! Rosa Granada!
Granada for mass!
Oh no, he went right to where he was. So much for that. We got few going in the woods. Matt's going in the woods.
I can't see anyone. That didn't blow up there.
No.
No?
Nope. It went right behind the kid though. Come on, Dylan. Dude, it's right next to Dylan if it ever were to explode. Dude, you want to go around?
Huh?
Dylan's got a sniper and then we got Will over there.
Alright, once we get Will.
I really don't think we need to worry about Will. You want to move up to this side and I'll come with you? Alright, we got two over there. One, two snipers. Alright, they switched. They're switching guns. Will's got the sniper now. Huh?
Oh, Dylan's there. Oh, no, Dylan's got an automatic. Don't worry about him.
No, Dylan's over here behind the tree, I thought.
No, that's Austin, I think.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Look at that kid over there near the pool. That was Austin. Austin's going around.
Hey, you want to move up? They're over there.
Where?
They're
Near the
over
bush?
there. They're all over there.
Where are we going up to? There you go. Just fire, fire, fire.
I want to go get them.
Watch your back, watch your back.
It should still be good.
Watch this. You could try. Austin's going around. You can go get it. Switch positions. Ready? He's on our team, I think. Over the bush, over the bush.
No! Him!
Go, go, go. Dylan, are you in? Oh! You okay? You alright? They still got Matt in. Matt's in the woods. Brent, you still in? Okay. Matt went in the woods. I can hear him screaming right over there. You guys want to go get him? I don't think that's gonna go. It's tight, but you gotta be careful. Is the top on all the way? Like if that were to hit against something, it would definitely go.
Do that.
Yeah, if that were to go against something, they're back here somewhere.
I'll see him. No one.
Matt's out. Who's left?
No one.
Matt, is anybody left? I think there's one more. Oh no, it's our team. Escape!